and welcome to another video of Budget Builds PH. My name is Russell and today will be another Athlon 3000G PC build. If we did an Athlon build before, it only had 8 gigs of RAM. Pero ngayon, we have more RAM, 16 gigabytes. Ito, 2x8 G-Skill Ripjaws 4, and we will be using that for this PC build. This is my first client ever on this channel na nagpa-build ng PC, and we will build his PC today as well as record some benchmarks for the games that the client requested that he wants to play. And so I will go through a quick rundown of the parts we have today. The first part will be an Athlon 3000G, 16 gigs of 2400 MHz RAM. This is CL15 G-Skill Ripjaws, an MSI A320M Pro. We have a 120 gig SSD, a 300 gigabyte hard drive. So it's going to be both an SSD plus a hard drive. And we have a Gstorm 700 watts power supply. This is the same power supply na ginamit ko sa 10K budget PC ko. And lastly, our case is a Fantech CG71. And so without further ado, let's get to the time-lapse of the build.
Physicality.
So now it's time for the moment of truth. On ko yung aking monitor. Here I have my mouse and keyboard, so we can install Windows here. Let's turn it on.
Oh my God!
There's a problem. Hindi nag-on. So I will open it up and see what is the problem. And we're back! So yung problem pala kung bakit hindi siya nag-on kanina, baliktad yung nilagay ko sa power switch and power LED. So, hindi siya nag-on. Ito na, for the real moment of truth. Umiikot yung fans. Let's see kung magbo-boot. Ay, naka-VGA pala. Ayun! So, nag-bias na siya. Sorry, ang lakas na talaga ng ulan. So, while we are installing Windows, ang lakas na ng ulan, I will just time skip to the point na naglalaro na ako. So, rekta na tayo sa benchmarks kasi ang lakas ng ulan. So, I will try to get this done as fast as possible. Magpa 5 o'clock ngayon yung FPS. So, client FPS, show both. Okay. Ayun. Nasaan yung FPS? Hindi ko kita. Bakit ganun? Pero smooth to. Smooth ng gameplay ko. Wala. Ano to? Wala. Warm up pa lang to. Okay lang. Wala. Papa-right click. Papa-right click ako dun ah. Yan. Woo! Okay, I'm dead. Wala talaga, di ko mahanap. So hanggang ganito na lang muna. Pero I'm playing at around, feeling ko mga ano to eh, 75, I'm not sure, pero hindi siya naglalag, promise. Diba? Oh, naglalag ba ako niyan, Lods? Okay, naglalag ako. Ay, sorry. Pero yun, solid. Solid yung performance, oh. Hindi naman nagsa-stutter. Wala namang ano. I'm sure my client will be happy playing Valorant with this PC. Okay. Yan yung lag. Lag ako doon. Yan yung lag. Oh, di ba hindi ako naglalag? Oh. Solid. Ayun, lag. Okay, tapos na. So, bibilisan ko na lang ngayon. Thank you for watching my first client build. This is an Athlon 3000G with 16 gigs of RAM, and this will play almost every esports game. Actually, I will say it will run every esports game. Dota 2, League of Legends, Valorant, CSGO, Crossfire, kahit ano. Basta esports. Gusto mo, Axie? Ito, pang Axie. Pero yun. Thank you for watching, and now, here are a few words from, sorry, ingay ng aso po. Ito na, client!
Bakit ang sut ng puto?
Siyempre naman. Ingit ka lang eh.
Medyo true. Galing nga. Proceed. Tagal naman yan mag...
So yun, salamat sa Budget Builds PH para sa paggawa ng PC. Ay napakaganda ng pagkakagawa nila. Smooth na smooth. Makakalaro ka talaga ng maganda. And kung gusto nyo rin magpa-build ng PC, magpa-build kayo sa Budget Builds PH. Promise, sulit. And shoutout kay Andrew Guillermo. Yun lang. Salamat ulit.